Hey. If you've just watched this whole video, first of all, nice one. Second of all, and thirdly, share the video, tag as many of your friends in the comments below. Let's get every single phone and every single computer around the world playing this video so we can create the world's biggest fart that's ever happened. If you've enjoyed the video, like my page here on Facebook and come and join us on Instagram at the Neil Henry. There's loads more of these coming. I've taken it off private so you can all join in. We're having a party, you're all invited, and I'll see you all on the next one.